This is Julie Bancroft and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Bring your tools. Cash only fixer on beautiful, private 2.9 acres in lovely Oakland, only 14 minutes to Sutherland in the heart of wine country. Attached 1-car carport. Mostly west facing. Multiple varieties of fruit trees, apples, plums, nectarines. Workshop and equipment shed, chicken coop and pasture. Adjacent to timberland. Asphalt parking space on the circular, gated driveway.